Are you looking for a remote job that pays you $39 per hour?
Welcome to the Wealth Legacy Movement, the space where we help you build your wealth legacy through entrepreneurship, side hustles, high-paying jobs, and real estate ownership.
Hey friends, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me today. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a role that pays up to $39 per hour. And this role is at the famous Starbucks, right? And so let's just go through it. As you can see, I'm on Starbucks website. And don't worry, I'm going to be dropping the link in the description so you can have quick access to it. All right. But remember, like I've always said, make sure that you do your own due diligence, even when the companies might seem like, they're these big companies. Make sure that you're doing your due diligence. All right. Another thing too, you might just go on the site and the job is not there anymore. That would not be my fault, right? So just go on it as fast as you can, put in your application and allow the process to work, right? So as you can see, it's a coordinator role, senior coordinator, and the job pay range is $23 to $39, $22.88 to $38.89 per hour, depending upon location. And it says bonus eligible, no. So you're not eligible for bonus for this one. And let's just look on the responsibilities, right? So responsibilities and essential job functions include but not limited to the following. And it says coordinates projects or phases of complex projects that support department or functional initiatives, ensures that expected results are achieved within the specified time frame and on budget, may support the creation and management of project timelines to deliver projects and programs, proofreads functionality, specific materials for accuracy, including copy, grammar, and layout, and make appropriate edits. The next one, may prepare charts, tables, graphs, and other presentation materials to support functional work. And it's a lot of things, so just go through it and just look at them for yourself, all right? If you look at the summary experience, it says project related support or equivalent 3 to 6 years, general office administration 3 to 6 years, fast paced environment 3 to 6 years, customer service 3 to 6 years. So if you have those experiences, go ahead and apply. If you look at the qualifications, right, the qualification is just merely high school diploma or GED or 4 or more years of U.S. military experience. So it's not a lot that they're requiring, and you should know some amount of, Microsoft Outlook. Go through it, and even if you're not a 100% match to what they're looking for, still send in your application, because who knows, you might have something that they're looking for and they are willing to train you for you to become this senior coordinator. Okay, I hope you will apply. Like I've said, I'm going to be dropping the link in the description so you can apply for it for yourself. And again, make sure that you're doing your due diligence. Don't just rely on me dropping these high paying jobs and you just apply and not doing your own work. Do your due diligence. Make sure that they are what they say they are before you apply, okay? Remember that your resume, they have some amount of your personal information, so make sure that you are doing your due diligence, okay? Thank you so much. I hope you've gotten the job, and make sure, like I've always said, if you've gotten the job, make sure that you come back here and share with us to motivate other persons to not give up, because so many persons are so frustrated because things are not happening. So come back, drop something in the chat to let us know that it is working for you. All right. So thank you again. If you're here for the first time, please consider subscribing. And for those who are always coming back, thank you so much. We appreciate you. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel to help us to reach more individuals. You know, that's how the algorithm works here on YouTube. You have to engage with us, like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for YouTube to push our videos out to more people. You know, here at the Wealth Legacy Movement, we're on a mission to help more people to start living a happier, more fulfilling, and a financially free life. So help us to spread the word, to spread the message, because more people need to be financially free. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you soon. More blessing, friends.